Alright guys, you came to this video because you're looking for an easy method. This is the lazy way to make money online. I'm going to show you step by step everything you need to know in this video of this very cool method of how we can leverage other people's videos that we didn't even have to make, share them with people who really want to watch them, and how we're going to get paid to do that. This works in any country around the world, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Follow me as we go along. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so if you go to YouTube, I mean, there is millions of people that come to YouTube every single day looking for videos of information on how to do something or just for entertainment. We're going to leverage that, guys. We don't need to make any videos in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how we're going to use these videos to make money. So in this example, I put Call of Duty guide. This is just you can use this method, by the way, for any trending topic. So literally anything. You'll see as we go along how this can be used for anything. But in this example, I'm just going to show a lot of people are looking up how to play a game better, or like tricks to complete the game or something like that. So Call of Duty guide is what I search, and you'll see dozens and dozens of videos come up of people teaching you how to play the game better. So we're going to go to a website first to make a link with those YouTube videos. It's going to be called shrinkme.io. So go to this website, shrinkme.io, and you can see on here, if you click payout rates, they show the rates for every country. So this is how many, how much they'll pay you for every 1,000 clicks that you get to your link. So basically, when you make a link on here with another video or website or anything, it's gonna, when someone clicks it, show them a quick ad before it takes it to them, and you'll get paid for that. So this is the payout rate in every country. It's actually pretty decent around the world. And even here's the payout proof that shows that, you know, this is people getting paid out every single day, how much money they're making just by getting their links clicked. And by the way, you can even see in my dashboard here, they have CPM increase the rates for these countries. So even countries that traditionally don't pay as well, India, Mexico, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, have got their rates raised. So United States, $8. So no matter where you are in the world, guys, you can make money with this. But this is my dashboard. You can kind of keep track of your links here, how many views you have, how much money you're making by sharing your link. So now what we would need to do is we need to click this button right here, new shorten link. Okay, but first we need to find a video that we want to share. So let's just say, for example, we want to share this one, the ultimate guide, everything you need to know. Okay, so we'll open this video. All right, I'm going to pause it. I don't want to play it right now. We're just going to copy the link. Okay, and then we're going to go back to our dashboard, hit new shorten link, paste our link here. All right, and then hit shorten. Okay, so here's our link right here. So now we can copy this, we can save it to a notepad or wherever, just keep it handy for now. But basically now, anytime we share this link and people click on it, we're gonna get paid these rates, okay? So wherever you are in the world and wherever people are clicking, that's kind of how it works. So we need ways to share our link, but like I said, there's people that already wanna see these type of videos. We just need to find where they are. So 2 websites you can do to do that is you can go, by the way guys, I make videos like this every single week. If you like videos learning cool tricks on how to make money online, subscribe to the channel. All right, there's going to be a lot of information you can use here to get started making money, and you know, there's different methods all the time, so maybe one isn't for you, but another one you'll really like, so you can try it. Go to reddit.com, and I just searched Call of Duty guide here because there's going to be a lot of people on here looking for a Call of Duty guide because they're stuck, they're playing the game and it's not going how they wanted it to, and they're trying to figure it out. So here we can look in these posts, and if we open these posts, there will be people talking in here, and we can share our link. Like we can say, hey, like I was stuck as well. I really found this video helpful. Okay, and then you can post your link here, something like that. Obviously you can take a little bit more time. I don't want to drag this video out too long, but you can put like here, see like what are the strongest Call of Duty Warzone loadouts. You can do a quick Google search and find that and say the strongest Call of Duty Warzone loadouts are these. By the way, I found this guide really helpful. Boom, click the link. Okay, so then we're just gonna start sharing that over and over and over. Also, you can see that if you go to like reddit.com and you do Call of Duty guide, you can just see like these big channels right here. Call of Duty, 1 million followers just in the actual Call of Duty subreddit. We can make a post in here of our own, so not even responding to people's posts, but we can actually make our own posts like, hey guys, if any of you are stuck as well, I found this guide really helpful, and post our link here. So this is access to millions of people who are already interested in the game, who are gonna find this video helpful because we didn't need to make this. We don't know anything about the game. You don't have to be a gamer to do this. And like I said, you can use this for anything that's trending, like any single type of video that anyone could want to watch, where there's a community for that on a site website like Reddit, you can do this method. It doesn't have to be video games. You can even pick a, say there was a big sports game, right? Like the Super Bowl, or like it was a playoff game in a certain sport. You can find groups that are interested in the NBA and post a link to a YouTube video about that game, and then say, this is a great recap of what happened in the game in case you missed it. You're going to get tons of link clicks, and that's how you can get a bunch of link clicks to your links. Okay, so another website I talk about on this channel a lot is Quora. Very underrated website. There is a ton of traffic on Quora. Millions and millions of viewers every single month come on here. We can come on here and do the same thing, Call of Duty, okay? We're going to find tons of people talking about questions about Call of Duty here. All right, like which one would you choose, Battlefield or Call of Duty? Which Call of Duty is best and why? So we'll basically just go through here and try to find anyone who's asking for help. Maybe we can even type a better search up here, how to play Call of Duty or something like that, and see if there's better questions. But basically we'll go in here and start answering them. And you don't want to put your link every single time on Quora, because Quora will ban you because it thinks you're spamming, even though we're just sharing a YouTube video, but they don't see it that way. So basically don't put your link every single time you make a post. Try to just answer some questions and then post your link in some as well. So what I would do is maybe just go on and answer some random questions in other categories. Like if someone says, a question about a completely different topic that you happen to know about, just answer that question, but don't post a link, and then come on here and post your link. And then so basically, if you're posting your link all over Reddit, all over Quora, you're getting access to millions and millions of viewers, and that's how you can get hundreds or thousands of clicks to your link every single day. And then you want to leverage that into different categories. So if you did gaming, then do some in sports, and basically just look up anything that's trending at the time. So you can go on Google Trends to find that out, and you can just, or if you hear of anything in the news that's taking over, like a new trend, a new whatever, if like cryptocurrency is popular or AI is popular or whatever it is, you can find videos on that, post it in these groups, get clicks to your link, and get paid. And these people pay out to PayPal as well, so you can see how people are cashing out here. PayPal, Payeer, whatever you want, any country, however it works for you best, you can do that and you can get paid. So this is a really cool method, guys, and there's a lot of ways you can use a method like this, because this link paying software or website can be used in many different ways. It's just one example I wanted to show you. So we can leverage other people's videos that we didn't have to make, shorten the link here, and whenever people click it, we're going to get paid, and we can cash out with PayPal. So just share it on Reddit, share it on Quora. That's this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like it, subscribe, drop a comment below so I can know what you think. I like to read all the comments and respond to all of them if I can. And let me know what you want to see next time. Let me know if there's any video ideas you have for me, or what kind of methods you want me to do. If you like these making money videos, if you want me to do something different, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.